Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create this trending video using Android. So let's start this tutorial. So first you need to open one video editing app, InShot. Now go to this video option. Now go to this new option. Now you have to add one video. Now you have to move forward. Now you have to go to this plus option. Now you have to go to this photo option. Now you have to add here 16 photos. Complete. Now we have to select this first photo. Now go to this canvas option, select a 9:16 ratio, increase this and apply to all option. Now we have to add music here, so we'll go to this music option. I will provide this music link in description, you can download it from there. Complete. Now we have to adjust video or photo duration according to music beats. So we have to reduce video duration to 3.8 seconds and every photo duration to 0.2 seconds by going to speed option. Now apply to all option. Now if you want to write any text, then you have to go to this text option. Now go to this export option and export to 720p. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this tutorial, please like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos like this.